Hello everyone, so today I'm just going to show you another cute little gift that we have, and that's a self-stirring mug. And some people call it the self-stirring coffee mug because they like to use it for coffee along with their creamer and sugar. You can use it for your black coffee as well. But of course, for those who don't drink coffee and prefer their tea, you can also use it for your tea, including green tea, herbal teas, and whatever other hot beverages of your choice. So once you remove the lid, this is what it looks like on the inside. And you can use the function of this press button to get the tea stirred. And at the bottom of the cup there is a cover and your compartment for your batteries, and these are two AAA batteries that are used inside this mug. So here I'm gonna add some hot water. Some coffee. Some milk. And one little trick for those who are trying to lose weight, just a pinch of salt. Let me add some more milk. And we're gonna try stirring now. So I'm pressing the handle, and you can see it's doing a great job in mixing my coffee, my milk, and my little bit of sea salt with my hot water. And that looks very nice and creamy. So there you have it, guys. Not difficult to do at all using the stirring of the coffee mug, and it does everything for you.